everyone. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make a bubble elevator in Minecraft. This works in both Java and Bedrock Edition. So pretty much to start out, these are the materials you'll need. You'll need any kind of block. I usually use glass for this, water buckets, soul sand, and if you're in survival, I recommend having kelp. But you'll see why. So pretty much the first thing that you want to do is you want to, oh wait, actually there is one more. You'll also want something to like stop, like, well, so pretty much I usually get a sign. So first thing that you'll want to do is just kind of make this as high as you want the elevator to be. So like for example, that height. And then pretty much just kind of a surrounding area, like, well, you'll see, hold on. Yeah, so pretty much just with the space of one block in the middle, just kind of make that, so we'll put that on the top. Then also make an entrance like that to go in, like that, and then just make sure it's all surrounded, of course. So just like this. Oh, and break that. So yeah, this is kind of just the base, like, so pretty much we just want one block, a 1 block gap to go through here. At the bottom, you're going to want to put a piece of soul sand, and then we're going to fill this entire thing with water, so you're going to want to put well, you could use signs, you could use paintings, or something that'll stop the flow. And if you're in creative mode, you could just add a source block on each side like that, but if you're not in creative mode, then you're probably only going to, it would probably just be a waste to have just add a water bucket to each block, if you know what I mean. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to just place it on the top, and this doesn't actually make it all source blocks, therefore it won't work. So it needs to be all source blocks, so in order to make it source blocks, you're going to have to put kelp on it. So, like that. This is if you're in survival, just, and then you break it, so then that'll turn into source blocks. And then now, so now that the soul sand's at the bottom, you'll see a bunch of bubbles flowing up, and once you see that, you'll know that it's ready to go in. Alright, so that's pretty much how it works. So soul sand makes the bubbles and pushes it up, but remember, the important thing, they all have to be source blocks, so yeah, just make sure they're all source blocks, and then, yeah, that is how you make a bubble elevator in Minecraft. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, and please consider subscribing to the channel. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.